Hey guys, today we're going to talk about rates and unit rates. So what a rate is it's just a type of ratio of two different quantities. So what that means is that you're comparing a ratio of two different quantities that have different units. So for example, I could say that for every 20 Cheetos, it takes me 3 minutes to eat those. I eat 20 Cheetos in 3 minutes. Another ratio is that for every 100 miles I drive, it takes me 2 gallons of gas. So it only takes me, for every 100 miles I drive, I waste 2 gallons of gas. There are any ratios comparing things with different rates. What a unit rate is it's just a type of rate in which the denominator is 1. So some examples of unit rates is I drive 60 miles per 1 hour. So notice my denominator was 1. We could still write a unit rate without writing it as a fraction and still have a denominator 1. For example, 60 miles per hour. If I'm saying 60 miles per hour, that's like saying for 1 hour. Per hour means basically for 1. You could also say another example of a unit rate, I'm not going to write this one down, is that you eat 5 Cheetos in 1 minute. For every 5 Cheetos you eat, 1 minute has passed. You have 28 ounces of jalapeno juice cost 1 cent. Doesn't make much sense. You could say, in another example, it costs 28 cents for each ounce of apple juice. Something like that. So, let's look at another example together. It says, a driver can go 318 miles from the south rim of the Grand Canyon to Durango, Colorado in 6 hours. What is the driver's rate of speed? So they don't want to know the rate of speed. This is talking about the unit rate. So basically, since they're looking for the rate of speed, they want to know how much it is for 1 hour. So we're going to use this using those models that we talked about on Thursday in class. If you haven't talked about them already, then we're going to talk about them a little bit now. A driver can go 318 miles from the south rim in 6 hours. What was the driver's rate of speed? So we're going to write our answer sentence. Our oomph sentence is going to be, the driver can go miles in 1 hour. So let's think about our model for this. The only person we have is the driver. So I'm going to say the driver. And we're going to draw a picture for the driver. The driver has a bar. It says a driver can go 318 miles. So let's put a dash mark. 318 miles, that's the total distance he can go. So I'm going to put that at the end of my bar. So basically this bar is equal to 318 miles. From the south rim of the Grand Canyon in 6 hours. So 6 hours is the time that it takes him to travel that distance. So that means I need to split this into 6. Split it in half first. And they should be about equal segments. So we're just about out of time for this video, so you're going to have to open the next video to see the rest. So make sure you open the next video.